As long as something contains a certain surfactant called sodium lauryl sulfate, it will foam. It's a foam promoter. You'll find it in your shampoos at home and everything. So what my beautiful assistant, my beautiful assistant's at home. But while Ian has a quick squirt over the car, second guessing yourself in terms of, oh, does this particular method start at the top and finish at the bottom, or start at the bottom and finish at the top, or start in the middle and work outwards, or whatever else. Like any other power tool, if you're using a drill, it will have a trigger lock. Like any other power tool, it's a labour-saving device, not a labour-creating device. The pad's getting softer and softer and softer as it creates a little bit of heat. The pad's got a greater opportunity to finish out a little bit more nicely as well.